A few super practical life tips. A lot of people don't know that. 1. What should I do if I want the egg yolk to separate and don't have tools? Just suck it lightly with a plastic bottle. Quick and convenient. To teach you how to thaw frozen meat quickly. Put the frozen meat in a bowl first. Add salt. Soak the white vinegar in warm water for 5 minutes. Thawed like this, it tastes better than the new one. 3 fried things at home. What to do with the remaining black oil? A spoonful of starch and a spoonful of water. Mix well. Fry in a pan at 60% oil temperature. Fry until starch sets and remove. See if the oil becomes clear. For cuts of garlic and noodles, turn it over and hit it with a knife. The garlic is out. 5 potatoes can't be eaten all the time. In fact, he and apple are good friends. Put them together. Cover with a towel to prevent potatoes from sprouting. Follow me to learn more practical tips.